quick beef pho. For a warming meal in just 25 minutes, grab rump steak, beef pho broth, pak choy, rice noodles and coriander. Start by heating a large non-stick fry pan over high heat. Cook the steak for 2 to 3 minutes each side for medium, or until it's cooked to your liking. Set aside for 5 minutes to allow the steak to rest, and then slice thinly. The next thing you need to do is to heat the beef pho broth. Pour it into a large saucepan and bring it to the boil over a medium heat. Once the broth is boiling, remove it from the heat. Add the pak choy and give it a little stir, just until the pak choy is wilted. Meanwhile, cook the rice noodles in a large saucepan of boiling water for about 4 minutes or until tender. Drain the noodles well. Divide the noodles among serving bowls, ladle over the broth and pak choy, then top with sliced beef. To finish, sprinkle with some coriander sprigs, or if you like a bit of heat to your soup, sprinkle with some sliced red chilli instead. This quick beef pho is packed full of flavour and simple to prepare with just 5 ingredients. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.